Assalamu alaikum friends. In this video, I am going to explain about the Kusumgar IPO Limited analysis, and we will see the company's fundamentals, company's business and company's various key performance metrics, and at the end I will also share with you the Sharia compliance as well. So watch the video till the end, and if you are new to our channel, please subscribe to our channel. This video is for informational and educational purpose only. I am not SEBI registered advisor, and this information I am giving for educational purpose. Before you make a decision, you do your own research and speak to your advisor. So let's start with the first option of what is this Kusumgar Limited company does. So basically this company started in year 1990, and they are specialized in creating a type of fabric which is called as engineered fabric. It's called as an engineered fabric. Basically, it is made up of polyamide and polyester filaments, etc. And the idea of this particular company is that they have around 1000 plus unique fabric types for different types of industries. For example, they serve aerospace and defense fabrics area, where this fabric is used for various creation of various parachutes or clothing and various type of defense clothing, etc. It's used in aerospace and defense fabrics area. Then aerospace and defense solutions, where they offer the various parachute systems as well as camouflage nets as well as deployable shelters, etc. in this particular area. And industrial and automotive fabrics, that it makes fabrics for various industrial uses including automotive. Its product line includes fabrics for tapes, custom applications, mechanical rubber goods and inflatables. Apart from it, they also offer outdoor and lifestyle fabrics which are related to rainwear, winterwear, backpacks, etc. And as of March 31st, 2026, they have 2077 employees. So overall, the basic business of this company is they make engineered fabrics which is used in various areas as I have mentioned. Now, looking at the IPO details. So IPO will list start from tomorrow, which is on 8th and end on 10th July, and listing date will be July 15th, and face value of the share is 1 rupee per share, and price band is 398 to 419. And if you apply as a retail one lot, you will get 35 shares, and total issue size is 650 crore. And moving on to the financials of this particular company, we can see that the company have given a revenue, the total assets of 584, which have increased to 334, which have increased to 905. So assets are increasing consistently, whereas total income was 474.55 crore in 2024, which has increased to 970.21, but this year it has actually decreased by 711.78. Whereas profit after tax also, it was 84.4, which was increased to 111.99, then which has actually decreased to almost 98.2. And EBITDA also same thing, it has have an increase, and in the last year it has a decrease. And total borrowing, it's at around 223.58, which was at 76 in 2024, which went to 246.5, which came back to 223.58. So overall, if you see the financials of this particular company, they are not very consistent. They have last year they were actually have a lower revenue as well as lower profit margin. Now coming to the key performance indicators, ROE is at 25.82%, which can be generally considered as that 20% is a good company, and ROC is at 24, approximately 25%. D ratio is 0.44, and return on net worth is around 25%, and profit margin is also healthy at around 14%. EBITDA margin is around 27%, but price to book value is not on the very high side, which is 8.45, which is considered as a very high value. Now, moving on to comparison, they have compared with Garware Technical Fibers, Arvind Limited and SRF, where the other companies have a PE ratio of 39.8, 32.7, 43.77, whereas this Kusumgar has approximately 40, whereas the return on net worth is better for Kusumgar. But only problem is the price to book value ratio is very high. Compared to the peers, we can say 5.85, 3.33, 5.74, and they have around 8.4, which is comparatively very expensive. And looking at the objects of issue, all this particular money with 650 crores will not go to company, but whoever the existing promoters and who are the existing investors are selling their shares, which will be going to their pockets. So this is not going to enhance the company's overall any kind of, it will decrease the what we say the debt or anything. No, it will, all the money will go to the promoters. And if you see, the GMP is good. Right now it is at 37.95%. So somebody who is applying for listing gains point of view, this can be a good option as well. And coming to the Sharia compliance, Islamically point of view, nature of the business is halal, as well as debt to market cap ratio is also halal. Based on those two factors, this company is Sharia compliant. And coming to my personal opinion, the company operates in a very niche industry where it is having users in aerospace industry, automobile industry, etc. But only problem is company have posted, top line as well as bottom line are not consistent as of 2026 year is concerned, and also the price is too high and expensive compared to the peers, compared to the industry and the market. I would say the cost is very high, so I will not apply for this particular stock. So disclaimer, you can listen again, that this video I make for educational and informational purpose. This video is not an investment advice, and I'm not a SEBI registered advisor. Before you take a decision, speak to your advisor and do your own research. Assalamu alaikum. And if you're new to our channel, please follow our channel. Inshallah, we'll be posting more videos in English. Assalamu alaikum.